Hi children, we are back with our new chapter in civics textbook, the first chapter in the civics textbook, understanding diversity, and the topic is diversities. Okay, the new chapter diversities. This is the chapter understanding diversity. Okay, what do you mean by diversity? We already know that it is diversities meaning the differences. Yes, the same thing, the differences. Here also it means the differences. The different kind of, maybe what food, if I ask what type of food do you ask, what type of food you had today morning, or whenever you have different types of food you will see. So that shows differences in the food items. Even if when you go out you are wearing different kinds of dresses, so that also shows the differences. So in all the aspect, if we look, we have differences. For example, our language is different, religion is different. When you go out we are wearing different types of dresses, and what do you have, different kinds of food we are having. So all these are differences in our, but above all we all are Indians. Clear? So this is, here we are going to study the diversities. Even in the first chapter, the first page, the box is given, you have to make a human image. If your image or any other friend's image, you mark it, you make it. And look at the other three images. You draw yourself and the three images. Any similarities or differences? Normally differences will see. So first you make this, okay, do this and identify any differences is there or not. Then write below there the differences are there. If you feel differences are there, then write that differences are there. Okay. So then next page also, here one box is given, that also you have to complete. Okay, fill the informations. When I go out, I like wearing what type of dress you wearing, what type of dress you like, that you write. Churidar, frock, or for boys whatever the dress you write. At home I speak in which language? English or Hindi or Malayalam. Which languages you prefer, which language you are speaking home, that you write here. Then what's your favorite subject or favorite sport, that also write. If my favorite sport is cricket, yours may not be the same sport. I like reading books about fairies. So what type of books you like? These all answers may not be similar to everyone. If my answer is not similar to everyone. Clear? So that is differences. For understanding differences clearly, we have a story. In our textbook, a story is given by a person known as Polly Sengupta. From his, one of his name of the book is The Signal, The Lights Changed By. From this, a short form of a story is given that you have to read. The short form, the synopsis I am giving. The two boys are there, they are meeting at a traffic signal. Okay, the two boys are there, they are meeting at a traffic signal. One is going to the school and one is a newspaper seller. One boy is going to school, another boy is a newspaper seller. So he is asking, the newspaper boy is calling newspaper, if anybody need newspaper, if anybody need newspaper. So at this time, this school going boy asks, I need newspaper, I need Hindi newspaper. So this newspaper boy is asking, why, how do you know Hindi? Did you read this Hindi newspaper? So the school going boy says that, yes, I am reading. I know how to read and write Hindi. So I know. Then the newspaper boy asking, how do you know that? So the person says, the school going boy says that, it is one of my subject. Then the boy is asking, what is subject? At the time itself, the signal changes and the boy gone. So the newspaper boy also gone. So next day also the same time, same place, they meeting each other and they are telling about subject. So the school going boy, that is student, he tells that it is a particular subject in our school, different kinds of subjects are there, we all are reading, we all are studying all that. So this person getting very amazed, is this there? Okay, then both of them introduced themselves. They said that my name is Samir. So the other person also telling that my name is also Samir. Okay, so for identifying them, in the narrator in this story, he gives the name for them. That is, one is known as Samir 8 and another one is known as Samir 2, because both Samir are there. So for identifying them, the narrator in the story, he gave them two names, Samir 8 and Samir 2. Understood, children? So Samir 8 is a student and he know English, he know Hindi and all the things. He is a newspaper boy and he only speak Hindi. Understood? At the time, the newspaper boy tells that at first his mother was also with him for selling the newspaper, but now their family mother is getting very old and kids are there in their home, so she went to Meerut and now his family is living there. He is selling the newspaper in the Meerut city and sending all the money to his family. Okay, at the time itself, so the signal light gone and both were dispersed. Again on the next day they meeting together, they meeting at the same place and same time. So they are asking about their family. So Samir 8 tells us he belongs with a normal, good family, like middle class family. But Samir 2 tells that he belongs with a poor family because he also have to work. He's not, that's why he is not going to school. But at the time, the newspaper, he read that in Meerut some riots are happen. So this newspaper getting buried and he was very much painful. Then again the lights on and they were dispersed. Then at next day also Samir 8 was waiting for his friend, but he was not come back. After that he never met with his friend. This is the story of the particular we have. So this is the differences between Samir 8 and Samir 2. From till page number 5 you have to read. This is the story. You have to read this and also identify the differences and also identify the similarities between Samir 8 and Samir 2. Clear? So these are the differences between Samir 8 and Samir 2. Samir 8 is a student and he is a newspaper boy, and here name is different, same, but he is Hindu person and this person is Muslim. So Samir 8 is student, he know English and Hindi and he belongs with good family. He belongs with a Hindu. And Samir, newspaper boy, speak Hindi, only speak Hindi, poor family and Muslim. Clear? So this is the differences between Samir 8 and Samir 2. Clear, children? This is the difference. And in the next page, page number 6, turn the page, here page number 6, make a list of the festivals that might have been celebrated by two boys. Samir 8 and Samir 2 is given. So you have to fill which all festivals are celebrated by Samir 8. That is, Samir 8 is a Hindu. So which all festivals he is celebrating, that you have to write here. Which all festivals? Maybe The Deepavali is there. Then whatever Holi is there, write the names of the festivals. Then also here Samirdo, Muslim is there. So Muharram, then Eid ul-Fitr, Bakrid, all the Muslim festivals also write. Fill this box and till the page number 6 you have to read. At least read 3 times, then only it is easy for understanding this. Okay children, thank you.